now, Priyanka, what we'll do is keep talking to us, but we're also putting out these visuals, and I believe that's Alisha's frame. We'll go to her in just a bit, but these are visuals from outside the NDPS court. Now, the hearing will resume at 12 p.m. tomorrow, and we've been focusing on the arguments from all sides, of course, because hard-hitting statements were made by ASG Anil Singh, who's talking about how this is a case of conspiracy. It's not necessary. That from all accused, commercial quantity must be found. Now, this, of course, is a reaction to what was said by Aryan Khan's lawyer when he said that no recovery has been made from Aryan Khan, recovery has been made from others, and no possession has been in case of Aryan. So, those are the arguments that were presented by Aryan Khan's lawyer, to which Anil Singh also now had given a response in detail, talking about how there is a WhatsApp chat of Aryan talking to foreign national, referring to hard drugs in bulk quantity. And given the current evidence that they have also approached the MEA to find out how they can reach that foreign national. These are visuals from outside the Sessions Court in Mumbai. And we'll go across to Alisha in just a bit, because she was inside the court tracking all of those developments, sharing all those inputs with us. But very important to point out how the NCB has very clearly emphasized on the fact that they are in the stage of investigation. At this point, Panchnama can be ruled out. Their contention is contraband was found in possession. And both Aryan Khan and Arbaz Merchant met at Aryan Khan's place. They've been putting out some of those details. They've been talking about the Panchnama, which is signed, is that contraband was seized and was taken for their consumption. Now he's spoken of a WhatsApp chat. This WhatsApp chat, in specific terms, was referring to the bulk quantities, what Anil Singh has said in the court. Let me quickly bring in Priyanka once again into the conversation as we keep up with those visuals from outside the Sessions Court. Priyanka, the hearing will resume tomorrow 12 p.m. All sides are putting out their arguments essentially, since this afternoon. What do we see happening next? Where do we see this going forward? Because in the end, the kind of arguments that were presented by Anil Singh have certainly given a new turn to the entire case.
Well, yes, on Friday we had seen the first time that the bail plea hearing was heard by the court, after which it was found not maintainable. And after that, we had seen this hearing continuing on Monday, where the NCB had sought time for filing their reply. And today is when the NCB has finally filed that reply, and massive development in terms of the investigation, because in the reply itself, they had stated that they have gotten a hold of new pieces of evidences, and that Aryan Khan and Arbaz Merchant, who were in close contact and collaboration, these were the words that were filed by the NCB, close contact and collaboration with the suppliers, with the other accused who had been arrested with commercial quantity of drugs on them, might also be charged with other sections of the NDPS, namely the Section 29. Now, this Section 29 is basically where the NCB is trying to make their entire case, trying to show that there is a larger conspiracy at play. And as you rightly pointed out, that the legal counsels had also pointed out that there might not be commercial quantity of drugs that might be seized from each of the accused person, but there were incriminating evidences that they have gotten to know of, which makes them a part of a bigger conspiracy. And that's exactly what ASG Anil Singh also pointed out in his closing argument as well, where he stated that there were WhatsApp chats that the NCB has gotten, claiming that Aryan Khan was directly in contact with this foreign national. Now, when we first look at the entire investigation, there were 8 accused who were picked up from the cruise ship, after which there were 4 more suppliers who were raided upon, and commercial quantity of drugs were found from them. After that, there were 4 organizers of the rave party who were taken into custody. After that, subsequently, there were 2 foreign nationals, Nigerian peddlers, that the NCB had arrested. So when we look at the entire timeline of the investigation of the NCB, they have been staying true to their word, and they have been, in fact, investigating upon a deeper conspiracy, a larger conspiracy. Because remember, Kurtzeen, this entire WhatsApp chat was also hinted upon by the NCB on day one of the court hearing, where they had said that we have incriminating WhatsApp chats in evidence that shows Aryan Khan was in contact with several bulk suppliers as well, and that there were talks about foreign transactions regarding these illicit substances as well. Now today, a major development, a major breakthrough, a big statement from the ASG, from ASG Anil Singh, claiming that there was a direct conversation between Aryan Khan and this foreign national, and the conversation were clearly about acquiring bulk quantity of drugs and hard drugs as well. And so this is basically something that becomes problematic for the accused, including Aryan Khan, firstly to get bail, but also for serious sections of the NDPS, namely section 29, might also be levied against the accused. And tomorrow, as you pointed out, 12 p.m. is when this bail hearing will continue. We'll have to wait what the court really decides and whether these accused will actually be given bail basis of these legal arguments presented before the court today.
All right, so Priyanka, to sum it up, here's what's happened. Aryan Khan's lawyer has said that so far Aryan Khan is concerned, they were aware and conscious that there's no conspiracy, or the question of selling or purchasing did not arise in the first place. There's no material against him, so he's seeking bail before the court and talking about the charges in detail. But as for Anil Singh is concerned, he's spoken of this is a responsible agency in the country. The entire nation is concerned over drug trafficking. He's laid emphasis time and again on how this is a larger conspiracy that needs to be looked at, drug consumption, which is a serious concern that needs to be looked at, and not a point person who were talking about whether or not he was directly involved or directly purchased, or rather was found in possession. We'll leave it at that, Priyanka, for the moment. Thank you for breaking down all those details for us here on Republic TV. Slipping into a very short break here.
का इस्तेमाल है और किसी की जानकारी में होना कि मेरे साथी के पास ड्रग्स है, वो भी एक तरह से कॉन्शियस पोजीशन माना जाता है।
देखिए, जहाँ तक ये जो साथी की बात है, कॉन्शियस पोजीशन की बात है, कॉन्शियस पोजीशन का मतलब ये होता है कि मुझे पता है कि यहाँ पे ड्रग्स है, तो अगर ये कॉन्शियस पोजीशन का पार्ट अगर आता है तो ये पार्ट रिस्पोंडेंट का है, प्रूव करने के लिए उनको पता था। अब जैसे कि मुनमुन के केस की बात करते हैं हम, तो उनका खुद का पंचनामा ये बोलता है कि उस कॉर्नर में से, उस रूम के कॉर्नर में से मिला था, तो उसको कैसे कॉन्शियस पोजीशन बोला जाएगा जब इंसान वहाँ पे दो मिनट के लिए बस अंदर घुसा हुआ है और वहाँ पे रेड होती है और उसके साथ में और 2 लोग रहते हैं और उन 2 को अरेस्ट नहीं करता, तो क्या यहाँ पे इंकी पिंकी पोंकी करके किसी पर्टिकुलर आदमी को अरेस्ट कर लिया? तो दिस इज कंप्लीटली बोगस। जी देखिए, ये तो पंचनामे में ही ओपनली लिखा हुआ है कि उनकी बुकिंग जो है रूम की, वो किसी बलदेव नाम के आदमी ने किया हुआ था, तो वो बलदेव किधर है? दूसरी चीज़, पंचनामे में ये भी लिखा हुआ है कि सौम्या सिंह नाम की लड़की के कुछ बैग में से सर्च के टाइम पे कुछ इलिसिट चीज़ें मिली हुई है, तो वो लड़की कहाँ है? वो दोनों अब तक इस केस में आरोपी क्यों नहीं बने हुए हैं?
And that's also what we heard from inside the court as Alisha was reporting of how Advocate Ali Kashif Khan was saying that during the search of Soumya Singh and Munmun, nothing was recovered. And as per the Panchnama, when NCB searched Soumya Singh's bag, they recovered 2 rolling papers and substances. So we've seen a series of arguments today as the hearing is all set to resume tomorrow. All sides, for the moment, putting out their arguments on day one. Slipping into a very short break here.